Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy F23 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it through Bluetooth. First of all, go into settings. Now you need to choose connections, then tap on Bluetooth and click on the switcher to activate it. Wait for available devices to show up, and when they do, you need to click on the one that you wish to connect to. In my case, Nokia X20. Then select pair in this pop-up and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. If you wish to disconnect them, you can do that by tapping on this little gear icon next to the device and finally selecting Unpair at the bottom right corner. Confirm your choice by tapping on Unpair one more time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!